Hello, my name is Ernesto Quintero. For those of you who don't know, that's my brother Juan Quintero behind us, and that's one of his great nurses, Rosario. Hola, Rosario. My brother Juan has ALS, otherwise known as Lou Gehrig's disease. He was diagnosed almost 11 years ago. And this is video number 1 of a video series that we want to present to you of our experiences as a family, as a brother, dealing with Juan's illness for 11 years almost. Everything from the moment he was diagnosed to present time, which now he's, as you can see, he's living on a ventilator and a feeding tube. So topics like what we did as a family when we first heard Juan had ALS, how we dealt with it, how we came together as a family, how the communities come together to help us fundraise around, certain debts or bills that Juan had to take care of, or even just not even that, just when he needed a wheelchair, when he needed to purchase certain machines, and so on and so forth, to how when Juan started losing mobility, what we did, how we fundraise, the different machines that we use now. As you can see, there's a series of them back there. The meds, the vitamins, the minerals, the different alternative healings that we sought. Everything you can imagine that we've gone through as a family in dealing with Juan for 11 years is what we're bringing to you with this video series. So this is intended for anybody who has ALS in their family, that knows somebody with ALS or MS or any related disease or just any disease in general. You get to see what the Quinteros, how we've lived with a brother, a son who's dealing with this all the way through and who still tends to smile. Right, Johnny boy? So what do you got to say, Johnny? Johnny says sharing is caring, and that's why we're doing this. So hopefully you tune in, share this if you like it, and reach out to anybody who might have ALS or MS or anything, and maybe they can gain some knowledge through our experience. And this is something we wish we had 10 years ago when we started with this illness. So peace and blessings, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.